Trump care will lead to higher costs for less care and will lead to tens of millions of Americans left without any insurance. CBO's report today makes clear that this bill is every bit as mean as the House bill. This CBO report should be the end of the road for Trump care. Republicans would be wise to read it like a giant stop sign. The Republicans cannot excise the rotten core at the center of their health care bill, no matter what tweaks they add. No matter how the bill changes around the edges, it is fundamentally rotten at the center. No matter what last-minute amendments are offered, this bill will force millions of Americans to spend more of their paychecks on health care and receive fewer benefits simply so the wealthiest of Americans can pay less in taxes. Well, that's our first job, is to try and kill this bill, to try and just make sure this bill doesn't pass because it does such harm to the American people.
After weeks of secret negotiations between 13 male Republicans, after keeping Democrats in the dark and hiding the details from patients and from families, all the while claiming the Senate version of Trump care would somehow be better, today's CBO report makes it clearer than ever just how mean Trump care is and why. The bottom line is Trump care is a minefield of higher health care costs for patients and families, and it is a massive giveaway to special interests in the health care industry. Depending on what state you live in, if you're a senior, Trump care will spike your premiums. If you need maternity care, you could pay as much as $1,000 more per month on top of the rest of your coverage.
Here is a Republican health proposal that is going to hit millions of working people and seniors like a wrecking ball. If you're a baby boomer, for example, and you have a stroke or you get early onset of Alzheimer's, forget it. You are going to be in serious risk of facing a life with lots of squalor and maybe being out on the street. The fact is, cuts of this magnitude will rip through the fabric of American society.